Can a house-based company make you rich? Can a home-based company really make you rich? Getting abundant on the internet is possible. A home-based business opens the window of chance for riches. There is also a lot of buzz surrounding some home-based companies, opportunities that sound too great to be true. In truth, these claims of sitting in your home doing nothing can be described pleasantly as overkill and overzeal. Whether a house-based service is your ticket to monetary freedom, success and fame is determined by you. If you pick the right home business, there is no reason that you cannot prosper. To prosper from a home-based company, there are some certifications, not only for business models, but for you. The myth that regular individuals can start or grow a lucrative company may just be part of the internet legend, or could be the whole reality, depending upon what you are willing to sacrifice to win the internet game. The alternative ways to earning money other than house-based organizations are rather depressing. The other lifestyle that includes a 9-to-5 job that starts at 6 a.m. commute suffice reward to make anyone at least try making a living from their own online company. Going to a demanding job may be the stimulus that creates a burning desire that triggers you to make a modification in your life. Being a detainee of the corporate world has actually led lots of people into the fresh air of freedom that owning their own house-based company offers. These people who decide to be their own employers wish to create the very best life on their own and their families. These people are searching for a dramatic modification in their individual monetary life. Home-based company owners are dreamers who dare to believe in the possibility that there actually is a home-based business that can alter their life. So it's time to analyze your home-based business goals and find businesses that will work for you. The distinction in between the winners and the losers in a home-based service is action. Individuals who succeed in a house-based business make the effort to investigate the claims and the inflated earning capacity of a picked service model. The savvy home-based company owners can separate what is real from information that is hypothetical nonsense. After a comprehensive investigation, the time pertains to make a decision. This is the crossroads. What business model will you select? A lot would-be house-based company owners have actually investigated numerous programs looking for the one that will enable them to cash in on the riches that the internet will supply. After months and months of investigations, these individuals are still at the crossroads and have not decided to start a service. Getting rich on the internet is no longer a pipeline dream. There is a lot of work including in making a home-based organization lucrative. Can a house-based organization actually make you abundant? House-based organization owners are dreamers who dare to believe in the possibility that there truly is a house organization that can alter their lives. People who succeed in home-based companies take the time to examine the claims and the inflated earnings capacity of a pick company design. A lot of would-be house-based company owners have examined several programs trying to discover the one that will allow them to cash in on the riches that the internet will supply. As I've said, there is a lot of work including in making a home-based organization rewarding. So, do your research. Go to Google, search on Google. They're the top company for searches. If you want to join something, put in the name of whatever you're joining into Google, and you'll get pages and pages of information about what you're trying to join. Other than that, go to YouTube, do your search. In YouTube, you put how to make money on the internet, how to join the internet companies, how to become an affiliate, all these sort of things. How to and that with YouTube. And they come up with videos showing you mostly how to do what you're asking. So do your research before you do anything else. Make sure you get the proper programs and don't get scammed, because you'll waste your money. So, my name is Ian Jackson. My YouTube channel is underneath the video. It's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. I have over 250 videos there about making money online. Now, if you don't see it straight away when you go into my channel, scroll down the page and you'll start seeing the videos. Also, there is a like button underneath this video. I would love it if you would press that for me, as YouTube needs so many likes, so many sign-ups, and so many hours of viewing. It's not true, so every bit helps, because once I get the figures, which I'm fighting to get, YouTube will start putting their adverts on my videos, and I shall start earning commissions. Hooray! I've been working at it a long time, as you can probably tell, as I've done 250 videos, so I need the likes. Also, up the top there's a bell. Click the bell, press all next to it. You'll get informed when I put another video up. Now, besides doing your research, have a look underneath my video. There are several links for tools to use on the internet, like I use for doing these videos and the sound, etc. And also programs I have joined. They're all programs I like, so I've put them underneath in links. I don't own anything. I am an affiliate, and if you click on any of my links and decide to join one of the programs I joined, or purchase something I use, then I get a small commission. Sorry, I got hiccups. And every time you click on one of my links, I get that small commission. That's why I'm fighting hard to get YouTube to start putting their adverts up onto my videos. They only last a few seconds, and they get paid for them, and I get a small commission as well. But I can't get them up yet because I don't have enough hours of view time. Anyway, let's hope you do very well on your internet ventures. Once more, my name's Ian Jackson. Please click the like button below. So, all the very best now, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.